Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel originalitymaze.tv. So today we are going to unbox this Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. So here's the outlook of the box. And we have this in the grey color. So we have this with 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM. So let's open the box now. So here we have the SIM opener, and here is the cover, and here we have the manual cards. This is the user guide, and this is the warranty card. So this is the Redmi Note 9. So here is the adapter. And here is the USB cable. So let's check the phone. But guys, we have opened the box and here is our phone, Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. So here's the side look. Here we have the buttons, the volume button and the power button. And here we have the ports and the speaker. So here is the front cam. And here we have the back cameras. The back camera is of 48 megapixels. So let's check the features now. So here is the camera result. So let's check the camera. It's good. Zoom pixels are also good. Let's check the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
The pixels are
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So here is the slow motion video.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. horizon, turn us to thousands,
And the total
and we'll
storage
grow
is
in
128.
number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So these are all the songs.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
You must buy, highly recommended. The camera is also amazing, the storage is also amazing, and all the features are also fantastic. The only one disadvantage is this, that the phone is very heavy. Here we have also the fingerprint unlock. So the phone is good, but the only disadvantage is the weight. So highly recommended, you must buy this. So click on the like button if you like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.